Today we're going to show you how to reset your maintenance required light on your 2015 Toyota Prius C. What you're going to do is press the trip button 1, 2, 3 times and hold on the third time when you turn the ignition. So I'm going to turn the key on, then press 1, 2, 3 and hold on the third time, and you got to hold till it completes the countdown. So we're going to do that right now. I'm going to turn the vehicle on, 1, 2, 3, and I'm holding, and you can see it says resetting maintenance data. I keep holding, and there we go. It reset the maintenance data, and now it's not going to have that maintenance required light on anymore. I'm going to turn it off here, and then I'm going to turn it back on, and now you're going to see that that maintenance required light has gone off, and all the information over here is just in regular drive mode. So hope you enjoyed this video on how to reset your 2015 Toyota Prius C maintenance required light. Thanks, and we'll see you next time.